And over in St. Elizabeth, with Santa Cruz said to have recorded the most cases of dengue in the parish, the area was the focus of the national cleanup. Now, over 13 bags of styrofoam were collected along Fagan Drive to Institution Drive. Parish manager for the Jamaica Red Cross, Sheila Doctor, says styrofoam and plastics along the road often serve as mosquito breeding sites.
It's a concern we see where some children about 2 weeks ago, a child died in Leeds. Although Leeds is near to Santa Cruz, we have seen, we have that concern where people can die with this dengue. We want to get rid of these mosquitoes, so therefore we want to see the place clean, and we are doing so in order to help our fellow men.